The Philippines. Straight away, you're thinking the sun is shining, white sandy beaches and crystal clear water. Well, this is not how our first experience of the Philippines played out. Today we're going to show you a pretty raw and unedited version of our first taste of the Philippines, starting in Bali and arriving in Cebu City, the second largest city in the Philippines.
We are in the airport at Bali, ready to make our very long journey to the Philippines.
We've had another absolute nightmare. So basically, when we came to Bali, we had to book an onward flight in Vietnam at the airport. So we did that for 300 quid, and then now no checked luggage was included. And if you pay that at the airport, it's 75 quid for each bag, and there were no option online to add it. So it's a right rip-off.
Despite this bad start, we were still very excited to explore the Philippines for the first time. We had a night flight from Bali to Manila, but then we had a 6-hour layover before our next flight to Cebu City.
So we've spent about 6 or 7 hours in this airport, and to be honest, there's quite a lot to do. Plenty of options for food, there's shops and all sorts, but we've just been too tired to do anything. Because I managed to sleep on the plane, and I think I did get maybe a couple of hours in. But yeah, it's 10 o'clock now, or 10:30 the next day. So we pretty much had no sleep again, and we didn't have any sleep about 2 nights ago because we hiked Mount Mature for sunrise and we didn't go to bed. But yeah, we're now ready to go and check in to our flight. This one has finally awoke. She's sleepy.
I was sleeping. I've just slept on a table for 2 hours. Haven't I?
So we've been here for about 6 hours, and now we're in a rush and running a bit late because we're in the wrong terminal.
It's absolutely ridiculous.
We never thought to think we might be in the wrong terminal, and I know it's stupid.
But now we've got to get a bus to Terminal 2.
Yeah, it's been a nightmare from start to finish. Come on, Lauren.
Finally, we made it to the right terminal, and it turned out we had plenty of time to spare due to our flight being delayed for 2 hours. It was so busy, we could not wait to get on the flight.
Lauren's on a mission. Getting trolling.
Yeah.
Hey, has someone been in my... We're proper backpackers, look at this.
And just like that, Lauren's got it sorted.
Lauren don't mess about. She gets herself a trolley, gets herself a backpacks. But yeah, we have touched down in Cebu, and we're going to show you everything that happens in pretty much 2 days here.
We finally landed in Cebu City. We ordered a grab and were treated to a beautiful sunset on the way to the hotel.
Thank you. Goodbye. What room? Oh, it's cozy. Looks not too bad, Lauren. Good morning. So we're in Cebu and we're gonna get into a grab now to SM Seaside Shopping Mall for some lunch and a look round. I think you can do stuff like archery and stuff like that, but we're gonna just get into this grab now. Hello. Can you? Oh yeah, I can. Hello. Hello.
Very Christmassy.
This is just what
Not
we
what I was
wanted.
expecting at all, but literally it's all proper set up for Christmas. It's gorgeous. So we've located a Starbucks in this shopping mall we're in, which is absolutely decked out for Christmas like I've ever seen. Everywhere you look there's like Christmas trees and little fairy lights. It's so cute. But we're just going to sit down and have a little coffee And then we're going to have a little wander around and we're going to get Tom a yakisoba because he is absolutely obsessed since I introduced him to it. So
I've been craving one ever since we had one back in Kuala Lumpur, which was in another shopping mall, so that's the plan.
Found ourselves stumbling in H&M by accident.
To be fair, we are needing some clothes for when we go to Australia, but we don't know whether to shop here or shop when we get to Thailand. Big decisions. How much are prices of stuff?
They're dead cheap.
Are they?
Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah.
We're now on the hunt for my archery lesson.
Can we get some frozen yogurt after this? What was that?
See how you did, Lauren?
This is ridiculous.
Not too bad, but I didn't quite...
That's Tom's. And that's mine.
Oh, you got 1 point.
So that was awesome at that.
It was very good though, I proper enjoyed that. It's now time for some frozen yoghurt.
Frozen yogurt time. So we've been looking for a frozen yogurt shop, but because it's a circle, like in the shopping centre, we've just ended up walking the whole circumference of this circle and came back exactly where we started, pretty much facing the guy which said, it's just down there to the right. So I want to be like, right, we've done that all the way around, where is it? So I think he was telling porkies.
But we're now settled for a coffee and a Red Bull, and then we're going to do a little shop in H&M.
So that is the end of our first and only day in Cebu.
But yeah, we're just gonna get some food, probably a grab eats because we're tired still from
we are tired.
pulling an all-nighter. And then it's go time tomorrow, we're getting the ferry.
Early doors, aren't we?
We are, so thank you very much for watching.